Hey there, need to relocate that comfy but cumbersome mattress? This week I'm diving into tips and tricks on how to move a king-size Tempur-Pedic mattress with ease. Whether you're moving house or just rearranging your space, dealing with a Tempur-Pedic is no small feat. But don't worry, I've got you covered with step-by-step guidance to make this daunting task manageable and stress-free. To kick things off, make sure you have all the necessary materials. Here's what you'll need. Mattress bag. A queen or king size mattress bag will protect your mattress from dirt, moisture, and damage during the move. Look for a durable, puncture-resistant option for added protection. Moving straps or rope. These will help secure the mattress and provide control as you maneuver it out of tight spaces or downstairs. Furniture dolly. Essential for wheeling the mattress around without straining your back. Choose a dolly that can handle the weight of a king-sized mattress. Step 1. Prepare the mattress. Begin by unmaking your bed and removing all bedding. If your Tempur-Pedic has a removable cover, take that off too. Place the mattress bag around the mattress carefully. This might require some maneuvering, especially if you're handling this on your own, but it's crucial for keeping the mattress clean and damage-free. Step 2. Plan your route. Before lifting anything, plan out the route you'll take to move the mattress. Measure doorways, hallways, and staircases to ensure the mattress can pass through. Move any furniture or obstacles out of the way and be mindful of things like low ceilings or delicate decorations. Step 3. Secure and lift the mattress. With a helper, lift the protected mattress upright from the bed frame. Use moving straps or rope to secure it in place. Depending on your living situation, you might need to bend or fold the mattress slightly to get it through doorways. Tempur-Pedic mattresses are flexible, so bending it temporarily is fine. Step 4. Transport using a dolly. Position the mattress onto the furniture dolly. For added safety, use bungee cords to tie the mattress securely to the dolly. This will help you maintain control as you wheel it out of the house. On stairs, take it slow and use your helper to stabilize either end of the mattress. Step 5. Loading it into a vehicle. Once you're at the moving van or truck, carefully slide the mattress in. Ideally, it should lie flat to prevent any material snagging, but if space is limited, standing it up is acceptable for a short time. Secure the mattress in the vehicle to prevent it from shifting during transit. Step 6. Setting up at the destination. Now comes the rewarding part. Once you've safely transported your mattress to its new location, use the dolly to move it to the desired room. Remove the mattress bag, set it up on the bed frame, and redo your meticulously measured maneuvering as needed to avoid obstacles. And there you have it. A straightforward guide on how to move a king-size Tempur-Pedic mattress without breaking a sweat. Remember to prioritize safety and don't hesitate to call in some extra hands if you need them. With the right tools and strategies, you'll have your mattress relocated and set up in no time. Sleep soundly knowing you've got this moving thing down to a science. Safe travels and happy dreaming.